So today we're going to look at cutting a tree down safely, and we got a nice fir here that we're going to use in a project. So I hope you enjoy this video. So a few things that I do beforehand is I either put my earmuffs or put the plugs in to help with the hearing. Glasses, hard hat, got my, you can't see, but I got my cutting pants on, and we're just going to go at this now and clean up some of the stuff on the ground. When it comes to starting your chainsaw, I always like to put on the chain brake, because if you start it with the choke on, the chain spins, and if you ever hit the end on something, it might fly up and get you. That's the most dangerous part. This is where all the kick happens, and the way I do start a chainsaw is I drop start it, but if you're a beginner it's better to put them on the ground. So we're at the base of the tree here, so we're going to put our cut in around the tree. You can use an undercut if you want the wedge to fall out. It also saves wood here, rather than cutting it down this way, and then you've got to re-straighten the end and you lose a bit more wood. But a lot of times I'll cut it down this way because I'm not that concerned and it's easier. So this is a little trick that I learnt from an old-time logger, having a couple of pieces of metal the same length, and then you put them into the edges of the cut like this, and it tells you pretty much where your tree is about to fall. So we're now going to do the back cut, and I've got my wedges ready. Hello? Yep. Okay, I'll come for lunch now. I guess we're going to have to put this on hold for a few minutes. So I guess we've pretty much done it. I'll just finish up that back cut when I come back from lunch. See you guys later.
Dave, are you okay? Dave, are you okay?
Holy sh**. Next time we'll work on some safety tips on how to cut a tree down.
Hello? David? This is your mom calling? Your lunch is getting cold. David?